In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make isometric text in AutoCAD. This is a quick but essential skill to create professional-looking 3D illustrations using text, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to add your text just like you normally would, but make sure you're in isometric mode when you do this. If you're not familiar with it, isometric mode is a setting in AutoCAD that allows you to create drawings in a 3D perspective. It's particularly useful for technical illustrations where a sense of depth is important. To switch to isometric mode, you can generally find an option in the Drafting Settings panel, or you might use a command that toggles this view. Having your text oriented correctly from the start will save you time and ensure the 3D aspects look just right in your final drawing. Once you've got your text in place, the next thing to do is select it. Simply click on the text so it's highlighted, ready for editing. With your text selected, go down to the command line, which you will see running along the bottom of your AutoCAD workspace. Type Properties there and press Enter. This command will open up the Properties palette, which is a very powerful feature in AutoCAD that helps you modify a range of attributes for the selected objects. Now, in the Properties palette, you'll want to look for something called the obliquing angle or oblique angle. This is the setting that will allow us to give our text that characteristic isometric look. You'll see a field next to this property where you'll need to input a value. Here's the trick. You're going to add either 30 or 30 degrees into this field. These specific angles will skew the text appropriately into an isometric angle. It's all about trying to replicate the angle that your 3D objects have. Depending on the initial direction you placed your text in, one of these angles will fit the isometric view better than the other. So don't be afraid to test both values out to see which one aligns your text in the most visually appealing way. Once you've found the right oblique angle, you'll notice your text now looks like it belongs in a 3D space, matching your isometric drawings. It's truly that simple. You've now successfully transformed regular text into isometric text. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Working with isometric text can considerably enhance the professionalism and depth of your drawings. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.